The notch is going to take over the world. And you know what? We're going to get used to it. I'm saying this because the new flagship by Nokia, the Nokia X6, or what would be called just the Nokia X, will also have a tiny notch, just like the one we are seeing on the leaks from OnePlus 6. The design video for the new Nokia X has been leaked, and I'm here to tell you everything you want to know about it. Hi everyone, this is Ayushi. Welcome to Pickbetter, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get updates every time I upload a video. Okay, so let's talk about the Nokia X. This new flagship, which will be launching on 16th May, has pretty much all the features of iPhone X to offer, and it also looks an awful lot like the expected OnePlus 6. But the bottom bezel has Nokia branding on it, which is gonna make it stand out. Pictures of the new device have been leaked all over Chinese social media, and speculations are now confirmed. The Nokia X will sport a 19:9 aspect ratio on a 5.8-inch Full HD display. It will also have the tiny little notch with front camera and other sensors on it. The leaked images also show a dual camera setup with a 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel sensor at the back, and right under it we have the fingerprint scanner as well. Nokia X will be offered in two different variants, one of which will offer the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, and the other one will have the MediaTek Helios P60 chipset with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB internal storage. Both phones will offer the Android 8.1 Oreo. So the Nokia X phones will be offered in black and white color, and you know what? The launch event is actually coinciding with that of the OnePlus 6. To be honest, I'm very excited about OnePlus 6 and I can't wait to get my hands on it. What do you think about the Nokia X though? Do you think it'll do well in the market? It really has some good features to offer, but not really a powerful chipset. We also did not expect Nokia to come up with a phone that has the notch on it, but I guess that's the trend now. So anyway, let me know what you think about the new upcoming Nokia X in the comment section below. And also, if you're new here, do explore our channel. You might find some other content really cool. I'll see you next time, and until then, all I'm asking you to do is pick better.